everyone, Gil here at Gray Man Prepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about something a little specific. Now, I've been doing a lot of general stuff like first aid kits and other things. I'm talking about general items, a whole bunch of items. But I'm going to start narrowing it down here for the rest of the year. And I'm going to start focusing on certain things, like I talk about bathroom needs. Well, this time, instead of all the things in a bathroom, I'm going to talk about one particular thing. And that particular thing is air fresheners and deodorizers for the bathroom. All right. And some of you are going to go, what do you mean? I got a bathroom fan. I don't need that. Trust me, there are times you need it. I had my grandson over today. He went to use the one bathroom. He turned on the fan, did his business. That 6-year-old came out of there. I walked by, about fell over, man. I thought something had died in there and been rotting for a week. Man, that guy had a stinky poo. Anyways, there are reasons to have deodorizers or fresheners for the bathroom. So that's your prep to check on to see what you need to get for your bathroom to keep it smelling nice and not a place where you dread going into. All right? So stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps, water, food, medical supplies, and other things. Why? This is why.